same common vocation, that is to promote the vocation, to inspire young candidates. And for our experiences, we encounter difficulties as vocational directors and directresses. And here today, for the rest of the days, we're here to feel, prove that we're not alone. Together, we are working together. We are in the same seat, maybe not the same boat, but we are in the same seat, rough seat. Difficulties of vocation.
What we do after here, hindi tayo ma-stuck sa hopelessness. We have to find sparks of hope para dalhin pag-uwi natin. So we have to be observant, we have to be again and sober. Ano nangyayari sa ating mga kasamahan? Kahit dito man lang, we can start living that way if we're not yet.
Good evening, my dear brothers and sisters. Xin chào. Salamat malam. Naimbag na gabi, rabi kada kayong amin. Tama po ba? Diyos marhay na banggi sa inyong gabos, mga tugang ko kay Kristo. Maayong gabi sa inyo tanan. Kamusta po kayo? Pinagdadaanan sa congregation, sa mission, sa kapwa natin sa ministry, sa simbahan. Sabi ko, ang hirap minsan mag-promote. At syempre, i-introduce mo ang iyong congregation, ang iyong religious life, na minsan napakasaya ng community life. Tama po ba, mga sisters? Mga fathers and brothers. Pero ako po, kapag ako po ay pumipitik na minsan ang mga pagtatanong, binabalikan ko po ang vocation story.
Hello. Okay. Ito yung mga first honor na bilang. Alright. Yan o.
Install. Some of you experienced that. That's why boto sa inyong mga members. Place of birth. Other members of the group. So meron na tayo student who have favorite saint, congregation, and the charism of their congregation.
Have you thought of becoming a Vincentian priest or brother? Join us. For those interested to join, you may send a message to Vincentian Vocation Congregation of the Mission and Daughters of Charity Facebook page, Vincent Connect Facebook page, vincentconnects@gmail.com, the Vocation Director mobile number 091777743569, or landline number 7700434441 and 700773552.